suitable for printing all kinds of flexible packaging bags on the market. Net weight, 730 kilograms. Dimensions as shown. Feeding width range, 8550 mm. Adopts intelligent feeding system. Reduces manual feeding complexity. Equipped with automatic deviation correction system. Effectively prevents printing misalignment. Printing speed up to 40 meters per minute. Printing width 108 millimeters. Unlimited printing length. Depends on material length. Supports single color, full color, gradient colors. Equipped with fiber optic sensor. Accurately identifies printed products. Avoids empty or missed printing. Also has air suction device. Ensures stable product operation. Plasma and UV curing systems. Make patterns firmly adhere. Resistant to washing and kneading. Equipped with independent printing system. Freely adjust the pattern content. Only one operator needed. Greatly reduces labor costs. This is our Korean customer's production site. This is our Liaoning customer's production site. This is our Shaozu customer's production site. This is our Wenzhou customer's production site. And our exhibition site.